Congratulations on your recent Kuat product purchase. We are stoked you are part of the family. Here's a quick video to help walk you through the assembly of the third brake light for your IBEX. A few things before you get started. Locate and audit the provided parts. Lay them out for easier assembly. For installation on mid-size IBEX, begin by sliding 2 T-nuts into the center of the crossbar T channel. For installation on a full-size IBEX, begin by sliding 1 T-nut into each end of the crossbar T channel. Position the third brake light with the slotted bolt holes over the T-nut positions. Using the 5mm hex key, install 2 M8 by 12 bolts through the bolt holes and into the previously placed T-nuts. Ensure the brake light is centered on the crossbar and then tighten both bolts. If you are utilizing a crossbar riser and have your crossbars telescoped outward, insert 2 T-nuts into the lower T-channel found on the inner crossbar sleeve. Place 2 spacer tubes over T-nuts, one over each T-nut. Place the third brake light over the T-nut positions. Install 2 M8 by 20 bolts through bolt holes, spacers, and into the placed T-nuts. Ensure third brake light is centered on the crossbar, then fully tighten bolts. To aid with cable management, thread the cable into the T-channel and through the provided T-channel cable guides. Install the third brake light wiring harness into your vehicle in a way that suits your specific vehicle make and model best. Note: always disconnect your car battery before working on electrical wiring. Wire the brown wire to your 12-volt power source and your vehicle brake. The white wire will connect to the ground. This accessory should only be attached to 12-volt electrical systems. Don't forget, this product is covered by our No Worries limited warranty. We've got your rack and your back.